In February 2025, a baby named KJ was dying from a disease in his own DNA. There was no drug for his exact mutation, so his doctors built one, from scratch, just for him, in under 7 months. It worked. That's the shape of science right now. AI systems testing their own ideas. Quantum computers crossing a wall physicists doubted was real. Robots clocking real shifts on real factory floors. Here are the 10 breakthroughs that matter most, counting down to the one quietly rewriting how discovery itself happens. Number 10. AI became a research partner. In May 2026, Google DeepMind's co-scientist and a non-profit system called Robin showed up in Nature, AI that proposes its own hypotheses and tests them. Tasked with finding a new treatment for an eye disease, Robin suggested 2 leads nobody had connected before. Both worked in human cells. The team's estimate, roughly 900 hours of research, done in under 2. Number 9. We just passed 6,000 worlds. Astronomers have now confirmed over 6,200 planets beyond our solar system. NASA's Roman Space Telescope launches August 30th and could add 100,000 more in its first 5 years alone. It took 30 years to find 6,000 worlds. It may take 5 to find the next 100,000. Number 8. A medicine built for one patient. That baby from our opening. His name is KJ. A team at Children's Hospital of Philadelphia and Penn Medicine designed a CRISPR base editing therapy for his exact mutation and delivered it within about 6 months of diagnosis. Today, he eats a normal diet and is hitting milestones his doctors didn't expect. It's the first medicine in history built for a single genome. Number 7. The universe is breaking its own rules. The James Webb Space Telescope keeps finding galaxies that are too big and too bright for how young they are. One, nicknamed Virgil, hosts a supermassive black hole growing faster than its galaxy should allow, suggesting black holes may form before their galaxies, not after. Our models of the early universe are getting rewritten in real time. Number 6. Quantum computers. Crossed a 30-year wall for decades. Adding more qubits made quantum errors worse. Google's Willow chip reversed that. For the first time, more qubits meant fewer errors. A follow-up algorithm, quantum echoes, then ran a real calculation 13,000 times faster than the best classical supercomputer. The wall the field doubted it could ever clear just came down. Number 5. Typing with thought alone. Neuralink's first patient played chess with his mind in 2024. By 2026, ALS patients are typing up to 40 words a minute using imagined finger movements, fast enough for real conversation. For people who'd lost the ability to speak or move, experimental already means everything. Number 4. AI has 200+ drugs in human trials. More than 200 AI-discovered drugs are now in clinical trials, 15 already in Phase 3. Relay Therapeutics' cancer drug, zovegalisib, models how proteins actually move instead of treating them as frozen snapshots, and it's earned FDA breakthrough therapy status. No AI drug has full approval yet, but the pipeline behind it just exploded. Number 3. Robots clocked in for real shifts. Figures humanoid robots are working actual shifts at a BMW plant in South Carolina. Over 1,250 hours on the line, helping build 30,000 cars. BMW liked the results enough to add a second plant. The demo phase is over. Number 2. Medicine built around you. KJ's case is the extreme version of a bigger shift. Cancer doctors are now matching patients to trials based on their tumor's exact genetic signature, using AI to read genetics, proteins, and clinical history together. The goal: treatment built for your biology, not the average patient's. Number 1. Science is starting to run itself. Stack AI hypothesis. Generators on top of automated labs, error-corrected quantum hardware, and robots that can physically run experiments. And you get something new. Discovery that moves faster than any single human team ever could. The old bottleneck was human attention. That bottleneck is starting to disappear, and every breakthrough on this list got here faster because of it. A baby with no cure is thriving. A telescope is breaking our oldest models of the universe. A chip just broke a rule physicists thought was unbreakable. None of this was science fiction 5 years ago. Which one surprised you most? Subscribe for more, and stay curious.